We see it as critical in terms of China's future city development. However, in saying that is that our product base is not primarily residential focused. So I can comment though more on the industrial segment. We have a current facility being built in the Xi'an high-tech zone. That development influencing other economic zones and them visiting the site as a benchmark and as an indication of what they should be doing as an economic zone going forward. So if that is just one example, you would expect that you will see green development being adopted across different regions of China as more projects are completed. First thing is capability. It's not just one individual component, it is a process from end to end, and having the capability to pull that process together to be able to understand it, what should be designed into a project. The second point is for the client and the user of the facility understanding the benefits it brings to them. So you take that capability and then explain to them the benefits, that is, how it is to add value to their organisation on that particular project wherever it's positioned. The third point is that it also requires some government or policy process which supports and facilitates the ease of implementation for an organisation to actually bring that project to life, and policy can assist that, and being able to remove barriers and make it easy for ease of implementation to execute that project. Sustainability in design is a whole process from end to end. So there are many factors in it. It's about material usage, construction methods, recyclability, and the products that actually go into the process. So that's one aspect. When you look at, from a renovation standpoint, you'll be looking at particular products and particular aspects of renovation that will improve the performance of the facility going forward for whatever its intended purpose is. So it could be increased insulation properties, it could be improved lighting capability. It would depend on each individual project, but definitely there are opportunities for buildings to be more efficient via renovation into the future. In principle, it's an awareness issue. Most of society has high level expectations in terms of outcomes, and as a result of that awareness you will probably see increased adoption rates ultimately at the end of the day of sustainable design structures. Firstly, you have developers that, not just for social responsibility, but also for economic and health benefits. Secondly, you also have Chinese government has increased its interest and promotion of green buildings and sustainable development in the Chinese economy, and that's been undertaken by things such as incentives. It's also just from a policy standpoint, and also promoting local performance management criteria within each region in terms of meeting green targets and objectives within that particular region.